Welcome to Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Today we will meet a chain cat shark. Chain cat sharks are found throughout the coastal waters of the Atlantic on the ocean floor. They live where they can find small bony fish, worms, and crustaceans for their meals. They are nocturnal and often hide in crevices, which is why part of this video you can see sharks under red light. This helps mimic the low light levels that they are used to in the wild. They are also biofluorescent, which means they can absorb light, transform it, and re-emit it as a different color to communicate with other sharks. If you want to help protect these animals, you can always volunteer to help clean up the Chesapeake Bay. By cleaning up the bay, we can improve vital habitat for these sharks. Thank you for watching Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Join us next week to meet another awesome animal.